So I am a dating and relationships coach, I'm a midlife mentor, and I'm the author of How to Fall in Love, a 10-step journey to the heart. Tonight I am hosting a workshop. It's called Fall in Love with Yourself, Fall in Love with Your Life, and Fall in Love with Another.
I loved the book. I thought it was fantastic. I was really inspired by it. I'm single at the moment, so for me, I learned lots, from reading the book. And it was just one of those moments of, we need to get Catherine to come and talk to our Psychologies audience.
We are expecting 70 people. They have come to the workshop thanks to Psychologies Magazine and now live events. I believe they will be looking for a way to connect with themselves, to love themselves, maybe some ideas about how to change their lives, how to create lives that they love, and some tips on how to create healthy relationships. Some people might be wondering why I am qualified to help them with this. Well, I have gone through those 3 big steps myself. I have learned to love myself after many years of self-harm. I turned my life upside down. I changed my life in a really positive way. I changed my career. I moved to the seaside in Dorset. And finally, after many, many years of dating disasters and dilemmas and ambivalence and choosing the wrong men, I eventually fell in love and I'm now engaged.
What was wrong with these guys? I always thought it was their fault. What's wrong with you? Why can't you commit? Why can't you commit to me? I had to unravel the whole thing and start looking at myself. I was afraid of relationship, which is why I was in relationships with men who couldn't commit, because it made it possible for me not to commit either.
So I hope the audience will go away feeling inspired. I hope they'll go away feeling encouraged. I hope that they will go away knowing that it is possible to change their lives, to fall in love, and understanding where that begins, that begins with the self, with the relationship with themselves.
I loved it. I thought it was great. It's the second Psychologies event I've done, but my favourite one already. Would definitely recommend it to my friends, especially friends who are or were struggling with low self-esteem, because I thought she touched on that a lot, which was great.
Just standing up there and sharing her vulnerability, I think it's not always easy, but for the people listening, it makes them realise, well, hang on, then I can do it.
All the people that are sitting in that room have probably taken the first big step of, identifying some stuff that they need to work on within themselves. So I thought it was really positive.
I think I'm going to go away and really use the tools and techniques and the things that Catherine talked through actually in real life and my reality.
I think the whole sort of what nourishes me, what depletes me is quite useful, particularly at the moment for me. So it's something I'm going to take away and work on.
And we had time to interact with each other, and we also had time to think inside ourselves. And I'm really impressed that we covered an enormous amount in a short period of time.
Even though that was an hour and a half, it was an hour and a half that could possibly change a lot for me in a very positive way. Yeah. Genuinely.
Agreed.
So, yeah.